Hello everyone, let's see how to delete multiple Word document at once. So first open your Word documents and go to the left hand side, click on the File tab. Then here you can see the recent list of Word document. Okay. Then here in the right hand side bottom, click on the More Documents and you can see the list of recent documents. If you want to remove it, just right click on the documents and click on the remove from the list. The selected document will remove from this recent documents list. And if you want to remove the multiple document from the list at once, then first favoritize the document those you want. So I just keep cursor and you can see the star sign is showing. Just click on it and this document add in favoritize. Okay. Again, I keep cursor in second document and click on that favoritize. And here I just click on it. So below this four document, I'm going to remove from this recent list. So for that, simply right click on the any document and click on here the last option, clear non-favorite item. And here the small dialog box will open. Are you sure you want to remove all non-favorite items from the list? Just click on yes and it's done. You can see the all non-favoritized Word document here remove. But it's not delete permanently, okay? It's removed from your recent list of the Word document. Now, to delete the multiple document permanently, just go to the folder tab. Here you can see the folder tab and double click on this your folder, and here the folder location will open and you can see the all list of Word document. First select the one document, then hold the control key of the keyboard, then select the another one, another, and next. So here I select the four documents. After that, right click on the mouse and click on the delete. Here the small dialog box will open. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this file? Just click on yes and it's done. Your selected file deleted permanently from your laptop or computer. Now just close this dialog box and it's done. Now I just go back in documents and here you can see. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.